Ready to elevate your streaming game? Today we'll dive into the essentials of setting up an IPTV HD encoder, making your broadcasts truly shine. First, choose a reliable encoder like the VE-Caster HD, known for its low latency and HEVC H.265 support. Next, connect your HDMI source and set the output resolution to 1080p for optimal quality. Pro tip: keep the bitrate around 5 megabits per second for a smooth stream without buffering. And don't forget, for a comprehensive IPTV experience, check out 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider. As we move on, remember to configure your encoder settings for low latency, which is crucial for live streaming events. Finally, always test your stream before going live to avoid any surprises. To wrap up, implementing these techniques will ensure your viewers enjoy a seamless experience. So head over to the pinned comment and get started with 2TV Store for top-notch